Ever wondered how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail? Well, ponder no more. Today, we navigate the thrilling world of thumbnail creation, a key element that can make or break your YouTube success. So, buckle up as we steer through the steps to creating a thumbnail that's not just good, but great. Now, the first step might seem obvious, but it's all too easy to overlook. We're talking about research. Yes, even for something as simple as a thumbnail, research plays a crucial role. Check out what's trending, what your competitors are doing, and what seems to catch the viewer's eye. Remember, your thumbnail is a visual representation of your content, so make it count. Next, we move on to design. Now, this is where you let your creativity fly. Use bold, contrasting colors to grab attention. Make sure your text is large and legible, even on smaller screens. And don't forget to keep it relevant. If your video is about baking, a picture of a rocket ship might not be the best choice, no matter how cool it looks. Step 3. We've got to talk about images. High-quality images are a must. Blurry or pixelated images give the impression of low-quality content. So invest in a good camera or hire a professional photographer if you need to. Remember, the image should be relevant to your content and interesting enough to pique the viewer's curiosity. Now, we come to the fourth step, branding. If you have a logo or a specific color scheme that represents your channel, use it. Consistent branding helps viewers recognize your content amidst the sea of thumbnails. The fifth step is testing. Yes, you heard it right. Not every thumbnail you create will be a home run. Test different designs, colors, and text to see what works best. Use YouTube's A/B testing feature to compare performance and make necessary adjustments. Finally, remember to keep it simple. A cluttered thumbnail can confuse viewers and turn them off. Stick to one main idea or theme for each thumbnail. To recap, we've covered 6 key steps in creating an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. We started with research, understanding what works and what doesn't. We then moved on to design, using bold colors and clear text to catch the eye. We discussed the importance of high-quality images and consistent branding. We highlighted the value of testing different designs and emphasized the need for simplicity. In the grand scheme of things, a thumbnail might seem like a minor detail. But in the world of YouTube, it's a powerful tool that can greatly impact your video's success. So, take the time, do your research, get creative, and most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, your thumbnail is the first impression viewers have of your content. Make it count. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a killer YouTube thumbnail. It's your turn now. Go out there and create something amazing.